Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut ice. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your coconut followed by the ice and sugar, and then not forgetting to add in the condensed milk and get all of that in there as much as you possibly can, as the moisture in this recipe plays quite an important role. Add in your vanilla and then mix everything together until it's fully combined. You'll need to start by folding and it may look a little bit dry, but that's completely normal as we're just incorporating everything. But by the end you should have this kind of like a dough kind of thing, but it's very textured because of the coconut. Split it in half and add half into your baking pan, and then just spread and level this out as best as you possibly can. You're looking to get it as level as possible. It won't be perfect, but the closest to perfection you can get it, the better, as it'll help when we layer it a bit later on. Once you've done that, you can then chill that in the fridge until it's needed a little later on. Then with the other half, you'll want to just add in some red or pink food colouring and colour it until the mixture is a kind of a light pink. And once you've got a solid pink colour, you can then go ahead and place this next layer on top of the one that you just prepared. So take your tray from the fridge, place the pink on top and do the same as what you did earlier on by spreading and leveling it out as best as you possibly can. And then you can just chill in the fridge for around 4 or 5 hours, and then once it's done you can cut it up. But again, you can leave this or you can make it in advance actually and leave it for a couple of days if you've not got time, but just take the time to get it as level as possible. Cover with cling film, chill in the fridge until needed later on. I did mine a couple of hours later and it was perfect, so just remove from the tin, pull away the parchment and then cut into as many or as few pieces as you would like. The choice is really up to you. I went with 16 pieces, but feel free to go for more or less depending on how many people you want to give this to. So here is what the coconut ice looks like. It's literally just 4 or 5 ingredients and it's super simple and it's quite classic. We have a sweet shop in the Midlands called Teddy Gray's which sell it, but I don't know where else it's sold. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.